Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to backup messages problem. So there might be various reasons why you're facing this problem. The first reason might be because your application is not updated. In that case, you'll have to update the application. So launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for WhatsApp. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now this should solve your problem. But if your problem is still not solved, in that case what you have to do is check the permissions of WhatsApp. For that, launch open settings. Now find the option for apps and tap on it. Now over here you'll have to find the application for WhatsApp. Once you find the application for WhatsApp, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of WhatsApp. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option permissions. Now you'll be led to the app permissions interface. Make sure to allow the permissions over here. Tap on the option photos and videos. Now simply tap on the allow option. Go back. Likewise, allow other permissions as well. Simply follow the same process for all of this. Now after you allow all the permissions, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the cache of the application. In that case, in the app info interface, you'll have to find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage and cache interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, manage space, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it could be the problem of your device. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix WhatsApp unable to backup messages problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.